Welcome to the Filmmakers Playground.
Tilta invited me out to play and, well, of course I had to oblige. A room full of rigs, creators and one goal: build, shoot and learn fast.
I was invited to Tilta's filmmaking workshop in Cologne, a hands-on event to test out Tilta's newest gear, shoot some cinematic stuff and to learn from industry professional Daniel Zlotin. It wasn't just about the tools, it was about learning through doing. Things kicked off with drinks and some familiar faces and an in-depth talk from director and cinematographer Daniel Zlotin. Tilta brought everything: cages, follow focus systems, matte boxes, variable NDs. This wasn't just a showroom, this was gear in the wild. And the rules were simple: don't just look at it, grab it, learn how to build it, learn how to use it, and get your hands dirty.
Events like this are very important for young filmmakers, but also for the industry. And Tilta is the innovator.
Who arrive here can get some more information from Tilta or from how to make a video and test the product and to learn how to use it.
Obviously, I felt like a kid in a toy shop. I had to try everything and anything I could get my hands on. The float system, absolutely loved it. So Tilta, I hope you're going to send me one, as you promised.
Tilta produce very good focus systems. Nucleus, it's my favorite, like about 3 years or 4 years. And also the cages. The cage is also Hydra Alien. We use Hydra Alien for many productions because it's very convenient method to put your camera with a gimbal on your car, and even for bigger cameras like a V-Raptor, it works perfectly.
See, just holding these tools in your hands makes you want to shoot something. It makes you want to just get out there, get creative and just start shooting.
So the people who are starting, they need to believe in themselves, and they need to believe in a dream. You know, if you have a dream in front of your eyes, at the end you have a long way, but in the end you will get this dream. Every filmmaker that starts to work, they need to stop trying to sell themselves under the price. You need to get to know your price and to hold your price, and not to think, oh, maybe it's too expensive for my client. It's not expensive to your client. Your worth is much more than you think.
For me, this was the kind of event I wish I had when I started filmmaking, because you had real gear, real people, real knowledge and real time to experiment and make mistakes and learn. I just want to give a huge shout out to Daniel Zlotin, Hollyland and Tilta team. They all did an amazing job putting on a fantastic event. The rigs were absolutely sick, but what I'm taking home is the energy, the mindset and that momentum to keep being creative.